Okay, well, we've now put the phone in to the dishwasher with another phone recording it, and it's in phone mode. So, our water temperature is now at 152 degrees. My phone is ready to call that phone. Let's drop the door on the washing machine, and let's call the phone. Of course, it's a little hard to answer the phone from inside the washing machine. Hadn't thought about that. I wanted to get audio of inside the washing machine, but that's not going to work so well. I wonder if it's got an auto answer setting.
Why don't you leave a voicemail?
Oh, that's a brilliant idea. That's why we keep you around. Did you just photobomb my photo shoot?
This is not a photo, Dad. Now why don't you leave a voicemail?
Oh, because the voicemail box isn't set up, that's why. Oh, but you can hear it ringing. Here, I'll call it again. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can hear it in there ringing over the refrigerator? Yeah, let me open the door. I'm going to pull it back, try to keep the phone in frame. And you can see, we're still ringing away here. All right, the Sonim phone survived the industrial dishwasher. Oh, it's hot. It's really hot.